Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, what we're gonna be talking about is going to be the Revyz data manager for Jira. Backup, restore, analyze, optimize. That is the name of this app. And what its focus is, it's basically on the backup, restore, and management of the Jira cloud. The most, let's say, most pinned thing in here that Revyz vendor is actually focusing on is the backup itself. Now I want to say that this app is, well, paid app, and it's not cheap. It's $32 a month, but you get to have a 30-day of free trial. So I'm gonna activate it in here. I'm gonna show you how it works. But what is the main idea here? So the backups are first. The second one feature that I found useful is the cloning option. And the third one is actually the cleanup process. Now, if you remembered in my previous videos, I covered two apps. One of them was Dr. Jira, and the second one was the optimizer for Jira. Both of the apps were actually meant to work as a cleanup. But with Revyz, you actually get all of these three things in one, if I can say it like that. So, we installed our app. Let's get started. So, first, it's all about the four things: protect, manage, analyze, and optimize. So, let's get started. This is the very first thing that you're gonna be receiving. So you're gonna have the daily automated backups that will start between, and you can actually choose when your automated backups will be rolled out. Also, you have the backups that are enabled for Jira issues and Jira configuration. Now in here you have for assets object, asset configurations, and automation rules that you can actually enable later by adding the Atlassian API token. Right, so in order to, well, actually add your API token, you go to your avatar, click on manage accounts, go to security, go to API tokens. In here you can create your API token, and basically you're done. So I'm going to click next in here, and the supported project types are for Jira Software, Jira Service Management, Jira Work Management, and Jira Product Discovery. Now as you can see from here, it says, well, what kind of backups do we actually want to have. So these are going to be the issue backups. And this is the count of the issues, how many issues are in each project. This is actually pretty good, so you don't have to bang your head and be like, well, how many projects do I actually have? How many issues do I have within my Jira? Here is the explanation. Alright, so I'm going to click on finish. Now, it's going to say run data backups immediately. So I can go and I can say, well, I can make a backup right now, or I can have the backups that actually are being scheduled. So I'm just gonna go for I agree to all of the settings. I'm gonna click on confirm because I don't want to have any backups right now. Okay, so in here, daily automated backups will start between 2 and 4 UTC time frame. Are you sure you want to proceed? Yes, I am sure. Okay, that is what we have. These are the included projects. This is the issue backup if you want to actually exclude some of the things in here, like these ones, because as you can see, these projects don't even have any issues. So I'm gonna select these three, and it's gonna be rolling up the backups of these projects from 2 to 4. I believe that is going to be AM. Alright, so the very first thing, what we actually have in here, restore issues as attachments. So that is, if in this setting you can choose whether you wish to attach the raw issue file as an attachment to the newly created issues. So no, I actually don't want to have it like this, and my recommendation is to leave it as it is right now. And you have the Atlassian API token. Basically, you enter your email address, and then as well you enter your API token. We don't have any cross-site things in here, so you can have to create a notifications project that enables you to have some notifications for your project that are being updated as issues. Yes, you want to actually do this. So I'm just gonna call it Revyz, and I'm gonna search myself in here. Alright, and I'm gonna click on next, and it's gonna ask me, do you want to create a project? Yes, I do. So this is the first thing. Then we're coming up with other things in here. So first of all, alright, so if we have for the backup, right? And then we have for the clone and restore. If I click on the clone and restore, this is what I have. Alright, so this is what I have. So in here, I have the dashboard for my clone and restore, right? So in here, there are actually gonna be some jobs in here. So now, what I can do here, I can clone a project. I can clone Jira configurations, and this is pretty much new. Automation rules, I can clone them as well. So first of all, what I want to do here is, okay, it says something went wrong when setting up the request. Okay, same thing in here. Granular restore, Jira issues, create a new copy, revert existing, no snapshots found. Okay, I believe that I know why this is actually happening. So I'm gonna set up my API. I will be right back. Alright, I'm done. So I've set that up. Now let me go for clone and restore one more time. Let's go cloning the project. Something went wrong while setting up the project. I don't know why. Is it like this? Project clone. Jira configurations. Configuration snapshot. I don't know what the hell is going on. Alright. Backups. Alright, let's go for a backup. Now what I can do a backup right now. And as you can see, we have the backups of, and it's actually listed in the jobs right here. So in here it says it's like queued. It should be done. Alright, it's still the same. I can actually enable this if I want to, but I really don't. So also there is sites inside, as you can see. Right, card views. Alright, so okay, this seems pretty odd because it's showing me, showing me the data. Alright, that's better. That's much better. Where I have like workflows and schemes, and I have cleanup actions. Well, this is more interesting in here. So, well, you can actually delete some of the things in here. And Revyz is gonna say that basically you can delete these filters in here. So if I want to do that, I'm gonna say, yeah, I want to delete this. You just need to enter your site. All right, so we have this. Let's see for the backup how the job is being done. As you can see, it's doing good. Alright, so for the configuration it's still running. That's fine because it takes some time to do it. Alright, let me see in here. Okay. Revert the existing, the jobs in here. Okay, maybe it's some issue at their side, because everything in here is being shown, which is actually fine. Attachments, basically because I really don't have any attachments in here. So this is what I have. Like, this is the graph, right? Sort by issue count, recently updated, search by a project name. I'm gonna say press enter to search for the projects. Yeah, this is what we have, and actually this is how it's being shown within the graph. Right, so this is like my site that is connected with Jira software, and that is actually being connected with Jira Work Management and Jira Service Management as well. You also have the audit log option that you can use, which shows what actions have been done and what jobs have been performed. That is another great thing. So overall, you have 3-in-1 cloning, backups, and cleanup actions. So that is why I would recommend Revyz. Now I know it's a bit expensive, but in the end it pays off to have this app, especially when it does the automatic backup process. That would be everything for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.